Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm just drawing, so I figured draw with me. Also, I'm eating a quesadilla. You didn't know you were getting a mukbang today, did you? I'm drawing self-portrait, which was requested. I would not do this normally. So at the moment, I look a little pear-shaped. It's going great. Hair. With girls' hair, it's like, is it long or short? And is it wavy or is it straight? Or is it frizzy or is it smooth? My hair is all of the above, so I don't even know what to do in that situation. What do you do with hair like this? If I try to put it this way, it goes like that. If I try to put it this way, it goes like that. Good morning. I have a song stuck in my head. Don't leave me tongue-tied. You wanna see a good one that I drew? Josh, I think it's pretty good. Turn your phone or something. I think I posted the unfinished version on Instagram. That was an accident. Well, it wasn't an accident. I'm just impatient. I'm honestly scared to add my glasses. Like, I don't want to. Pepper! What are you doing? Hey! Boop, 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 boop. Okay, I added the glasses. Oh, yeah. Oh, my batteries are dying. That was pretty accurate. I was with Josh the other day, and he sang a song. And I won't put that because he won't appreciate it. He also drew a picture for me, so I'll put that.
A dumpster. Taking a video of me?
Yeah. I like your map.
Thank you.
That's probably all I have today. Oh, do you want to see mine? Ta-da! Ooh, pistachio. Okay, anyways, that's it. Time for you to go now. Bye.